When your fridge door shelf cracks, it's a real headache. But the MTZUL 2-pack WPW10212139 Refrigerator Door Shelf bin offers a perfect solution. This replacement part is a true lifesaver. It is compatible with many Maytag and Whirlpool refrigerators. You can now restore order and tidiness in your fridge. This Maytag and Whirlpool fridge door shelf bin is a fantastic option. Furthermore, it fits like a glove. It securely holds your condiments and jars. No more wobbling or tipping over. The clear plastic design is also a great plus. It allows you to see everything easily. Therefore, you can quickly find what you need. This is a very practical and effective replacement. The old, broken shelf felt like a house with a missing wall. This new Maytag and Whirlpool fridge door shelf bin, however, restores the foundation. It's solid and reliable. This 2-pack is a huge bonus. You get a spare or can replace both shelves. This is especially useful for busy families. It's built to last. Unlike my previous shelf, the plastic is thick and durable. Installing it was a breeze. It just snaps right in. The seamless fit is quite impressive. For instance, my Kenmore fridge is now complete again. Consequently, I feel more organized. My fridge looks much cleaner now. My groceries are also secure. Thus, this is a truly worthwhile investment. Overall, I am very satisfied with this product. The quality is exceptional. This Maytag and Whirlpool fridge door shelf bin is a perfect match. I would highly recommend it to anyone. It saved me from buying a new fridge. My refrigerator feels brand new. This bin is a true workhorse. It handles the weight of milk and juice. Moreover, it holds up to daily use. It is truly a simple but essential part. And it's a great value for the price. Therefore, don't hesitate to purchase these bins. It's a definite 5-star product. Pros: slid right into place, excellent replacement, fits like original, good fit, looks good. Inexpensive, easy to install, nice product, excellent packing, good quality. Cons: not durable for long-term use, higher price compared to competitors. Features: 2-pack of shelf bins, WPW10212139 part number, compatible with Whirlpool refrigerators, also fits Maytag refrigerators, replaces W10212139 shelf, fits model WRF555SDF, fits model WRF555SDH. Works with GI6FDRXX model, works with GI6 FARX model. It is a left side bin. This is a 2-pack of replacement door shelf bins. Part number WPW10212139. That are compatible with several Whirlpool and Maytag refrigerator models. The shelves are designed to fit on the left side of the refrigerator door and can replace a shelf. With the part number W10212139. They fit specific models, including WRF555SDF, WRF555SDH, GI6FDRXX, and GI6 FARX. The MTZUL WPW10212139 Refrigerator Door Shelf is an excellent, easy-to-install replacement part that fits perfectly in many Whirlpool and Maytag refrigerators. Customers appreciate its good quality and appearance, noting that it slides right into place just like the original shelf. However, some users have found that it may not be durable for long-term use and that its price is higher than some competitors. The product is also praised for its excellent packaging.